Hi, welcome to Vimals Curry Pot. I wish you all a very happy holidays. It's Christmas time, so today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate cake, which is commonly called as devil's food cake. Come, let's get started. Let's check out for the ingredients. Thank you. Take a large mixing bowl and one medium size baking pan. Grease the pan with butter and add a parchment paper below the pan. Add some flour, dust it all over the pan. Now take a bowl and use a strainer and add 1 and 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, that's maida, half cup of cocoa powder, add to the strainer. Now 2 cups of sugar and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. Sift all this in the bowl. Mix well. In a fresh bowl, add 1 cup of milk and a half cup of any vegetable oil. 3 eggs. Eggs should be in the room temperature. Now brew 1 cup of fresh coffee. The coffee should be very hot. I am brewing Starbucks breakfast blend. You can use whatever blend you have at home. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add the hot coffee to the egg mixture. Whisk the mixture well. Now make a well in the center. Add the egg mixture to the flour and mix the flour well. Use an electric mixer and mix the batter well. Now preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now mix it well and pour the batter in the baking pan. Now once the oven is preheated, place the baking pan in the oven and close the oven. Now bake the cake for 1 hour. After an hour, check if the cake is done using a toothpick. Now the cake is ready. Now let's take it out and place it on a cooling rack and cool it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now when the cake is cooled, flip the cake on a plate. Remember to remove the parchment paper. Now cut the cake into 2 layers. Make sure that the 2 layers are cool. Now let's add the chocolate frosting to the bottom layer. Spread it evenly. Now place the second layer on top. Now coat the entire cake with the chocolate frosting. Now we'll decorate the cake with vanilla frosting using a piping bag or a decorative nozzle. Now the cake is ready, or chocolate cake is ready. Happy holidays. Thank you for watching.